The cryptocurrency world is buzzing, and Ripple is at the center of it all. In a space known for rapid innovation and constant disruption, Ripple has just made two monumental moves that could reshape the future of digital finance. First, Ripple has acquired the prime brokerage firm Hidden Road for a staggering $1.25 billion. This acquisition isn't just about expansion, it's a strategic play to gain deeper access to institutional liquidity and global financial infrastructure. Hidden Road's expertise in bridging traditional finance with digital assets could give Ripple a powerful edge in the evolving crypto ecosystem. At the same time, the launch of the first-ever US-based XRP ETF marks a historic milestone. It opens the door for mainstream investors to gain exposure to XRP through regulated financial markets, potentially driving massive inflows of capital. These developments are sending shockwaves through the industry, signaling a potential turning point for Ripple and its cryptocurrency, XRP. Analysts are already speculating on how this could influence market dynamics, investor sentiment, and regulatory perspectives. For years, XRP has been entangled in legal battles that cast a shadow over its legitimacy. But with these bold moves, is this the moment XRP breaks free from its legal shackles and steps into the limelight as a fully recognized financial asset? Let's delve into the details and explore the potential ramifications of these groundbreaking events. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, all eyes are now on Ripple, and the future of XRP may never be the same. Ripple's acquisition of Hidden Road is a strategic power play. Hidden Road is not your average brokerage firm. It specializes in providing services to institutional clients, the big players in the financial world. By acquiring Hidden Road, Ripple gains access to a network of hedge funds, asset managers, and other institutional investors. This move positions Ripple as a major player in the institutional crypto trading arena. Hidden Road acts as a bridge between large investors and the complex world of cryptocurrency trading. They provide essential services like custody, execution, and financing, making it easier for institutional investors to enter the crypto market. This acquisition is a clear indication of Ripple's ambition to become the go-to platform for institutional-grade crypto trading. Adding to the excitement, the U.S. financial market welcomes its first-ever XRP ETF. This exchange-traded fund, listed under the ticker symbol XXRP, offers investors a new and regulated way to gain exposure to XRP. The launch of this ETF is particularly significant given the regulatory scrutiny XRP has faced in recent years. The 2Curium2X Long Daily XRP ETF is not your typical ETF, it's a leveraged ETF, designed to amplify the daily price movements of XRP. If XRP goes up by 5%, the ETF aims to deliver a 10% return and vice versa. This leveraged nature makes it a high-risk, high-reward investment vehicle, primarily suited for experienced traders. These developments have significant implications for both investors and the broader cryptocurrency market. As the digital asset space continues to mature, strategic moves like these signal a shift toward greater institutional involvement and regulatory alignment. For investors, the acquisition of Hidden Road and the launch of the XRP ETF present new opportunities. These moves not only enhance market liquidity but also provide more structured and potentially safer avenues for investment in digital assets. Institutional investors now have a more accessible entry point into the XRP market, which could lead to increased capital inflows and broader adoption of XRP as a legitimate financial instrument. Meanwhile, individual investors can gain exposure through a regulated ETF, offering a simplified way to participate in the crypto space without directly holding the underlying asset. This increased accessibility could potentially lead to greater demand for XRP. However, with opportunity comes risk. Market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and the complex nature of leveraged ETFs all contribute to a landscape that requires careful navigation. The leveraged nature of the XRP ETF demands caution. especially for retail investors who may not fully understand the risks involved. These products can amplify gains, but they can also magnify losses just as quickly. Additionally, the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC continues to cast a shadow over XRP's future. Until a clear resolution is reached, uncertainty will remain a key factor influencing investor sentiment and market behavior. Ripple's recent moves are undeniably bold and signal a potential shift in the cryptocurrency landscape. As the company continues to expand its global footprint, its strategic decisions are drawing attention from both retail investors and major financial institutions. These developments are not just about XRP, they reflect a broader trend of crypto assets inching closer to mainstream finance. The acquisition of Hidden Road and the launch of the first US XRP ETF could pave the way for greater institutional adoption and mainstream acceptance of XRP. These moves suggest Ripple is positioning itself as a bridge between traditional finance and the decentralized world. If successful, this could mark a turning point for how digital assets are perceived and utilized in everyday financial systems. However, the regulatory landscape remains uncertain, and the outcome of the Ripple versus SEC case continues to hang in the balance. This legal battle is more than just a corporate dispute. Its resolution could set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are classified and regulated in the United States. Investors and developers alike are watching closely, as the implications could ripple across the entire crypto ecosystem. As an investor, it's crucial to stay informed, weigh the risks and opportunities carefully, and understand the broader context in which these assets operate. The crypto market is influenced by a complex mix of technological innovation, regulatory shifts, and global economic trends. Staying ahead means not just tracking prices but also understanding the forces shaping the future of finance. And remember that the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods, driven by news, speculation, or even social media trends. While this volatility can present opportunities, it also demands caution and a well-thought-out strategy. The future of XRP, like the broader crypto market, remains an exciting yet unpredictable journey. Whether it leads to widespread adoption or faces further hurdles, one thing is clear: this space is evolving rapidly, and those who stay informed will be best positioned to navigate